The FBI spent a long time trying to track down Ghislaine Maxwell, the British socialite accused of being Jeffrey Epstein's accomplice. A judge in New York has ruled it's too risky to let her go again. Her request for bail refused. The prosecution claimed she was an extreme flight risk, experienced at hiding, with every incentive to flee. The 58-year-old is charged with helping to recruit, groom and abuse 3 teenagers in the 1990s. One anonymous woman, Jane Doe, told the court, without Ghislaine Maxwell, Jeffrey Epstein wouldn't have done what he did. She was in charge. I know what she's done. I know how many lives she's ruined. Another accuser, Annie Farmer, said she was a sexual predator who abused me and countless other victims. She's never shown any remorse. She's lied under oath and tormented her survivors. She's demonstrated contempt for our legal system by perjury. The prosecution claimed she posed as a journalist called Jen Marshall II when she tried to buy this house, where she was eventually arrested. Maxwell's defence team proposed a $5 million bond. They said she was an innocent woman who would surrender her travel documents and be subject to GPS tracking. But the judge, Alison Nathan, said that she had substantial international ties and extraordinary financial resources that prevented her from granting that. A trial date has been set for July next year. One lawyer for 6 women says she is still concerned about any meaningful outcomes from this case. Where do you see this case going after all these years?
My clients are very skeptical that the criminal justice system is going to do anything to bring anybody to justice for the crimes that were committed against them, because it has let them down over and over again. In 2018, when Jeffrey Epstein got a sweetheart deal, in 2019, when he wasn't watched carefully and so he took his own life to escape justice.
Ghislaine Maxwell pleaded not guilty to the 6 charges against her, but she is confined to a jail and locked into a judicial process, one decades in the making.